Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Genie Aladdin Connect app to control smart garage features, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your smartphone and navigate to the App Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Genie Aladdin Connect and press enter. Look for the official app in the search results. Make sure it is from Genie Company to ensure authenticity. Tap on the app to open its description page. Next, click the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the app icon on your home screen. Tap the Genie Aladdin Connect icon to launch the app. Upon opening, you may need to set up an account if you haven't already. Follow the on-screen prompts to create an account using your email address. After setting up your account, log in with your credentials. Now, ensure your garage door opener is compatible with the app. Refer to the user manual or visit the Genie website for compatibility details. If compatible, follow the in-app instructions to connect the garage door opener. You may need to press a specific button on your opener during setup. Follow any additional prompts on the screen for a successful connection. Once connected, you can explore the various features of the app. These features may include remote door control, monitoring status, and notifications. Familiarize yourself with the app layout for ease of use. You are now ready to control your smart garage with the Genie Aladdin Connect app. Enjoy the convenience of managing your garage door from anywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.